Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. Now, if you've done any research on YouTube automation channels or how to grow on YouTube in general, then chances are you've come across the argument/debate that new channels should focus on either browse or search-based traffic. Some experts claim that search-based channels are the best for stable growth and money, and others claim that browse and recommended traffic is the best if you want to grow quickly and make the big money. The truth is, both are right. Yes, there is one that is better to focus on when starting out, and I'll get into that in just a moment. But why would you want to leave money on the table by ignoring another source of free views? YouTube has created a number of great ways for you to generate views and to make money with your channel. They want you to succeed and get as many views as possible. So why would you not use all of the tools and methods at your disposal? It has never been a question of doing one or the other. It's about understanding how they both work and using them to your advantage for short and long-term growth. Sure, there may be some channels that are more geared up towards targeting search traffic. If, for example, all of the content on your channel was how-to videos about unrelated topics, then not every viewer will be interested in every video on your channel. They will most likely watch one video and leave without subscribing. So YouTube will quickly learn not to recommend more of your content to them. But if it was a how-to channel where all of the videos were related, for example, all things related to being a gentleman, with videos on male grooming and how to wear suits properly, then this channel would be one that would also have a loyal following of people interested in learning more, even if all they wanted initially was to learn how to tie a tie. So you would benefit from both search and recommended traffic. Most channels done properly can tap into both. With that said, browse and recommended traffic will be what brings you the most views when starting out. So this, in my opinion, is what you should be focusing on to start with. Though you should also be optimizing your videos for SEO and search traffic from day one. That way, as your channel grows, it will be ready to start tapping into search traffic as well. You see, when a channel is new, it literally has no authority or history to be able to rank videos. So you would literally need hundreds of videos to generate enough views to get monetized. Whereas browse and recommended traffic, on the other hand, is traffic you can tap into regardless of size. YouTube wants new channels to work, so it will try to match your videos to an audience each time you upload. If it does well, it will keep sharing it out until demand drops off or the video goes viral. These viral videos accelerate the growth of your channel, which then in turn increases your channel's ability to rank videos, bringing in more search traffic from both YouTube and Google. You can see this all in action with my current channels. I've literally just started a new one, and as you can see from the analytics, the views are 97% browse and recommended traffic, with only around 3% from search. But if we then look at another older channel that used to have exactly the same figures as the first one, you can see that it has now switched, with over 60% of views coming from search traffic. This means I get the benefit of stable and reliable search traffic and the initial boost of viral views from recommended and browse. It's the best of both. So if you grow your channels properly, then you should be able to get views from everywhere. There is no best or better. You just want to take all the views you can. With that said, if you would like full step-by-step training on building channels for profit, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.